Hello everyone, look at this material I got. Today I will use this material together with our metal stand to make a flower table centerpiece. I like these materials because we can hang the beading here. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead. Okay, first of all, let's set up the base. Look, our metal stand, there's some group here so we can connect to each other to make any length we want. Okay, look, this is the stand. It's about 30 cm plus 20, 30, totally over 80 cm tall. And then let's set up this material. But since the whole of this material is large, all the screw material on my hand not large enough. So I pick this one and try all my best. For example, wrap some this floral tape to make it larger and fixed. Okay, look. Then let's put it on the hole. Very sturdy now. Okay, anyway. Let's put it on the stand. Okay, completed with the stand. But because we want to make the flower on the top, so for the convenient operation, we will take off this material. After we complete it with the flower, we will install on the stand. Then let's install the floral foam on the material. First of all, we need to use this screw thing. Put it on the screw. I'm not sure if you can buy all the screw and metal things from local store. If you don't, you can order from me, but the shipping cost for this metal things will be a little bit high. But anyway, let's put it on the screw. Oh. And then tie them together with the string. Okay, then the following, very simple. Just take the stem and our flower head to make the flower arrangement. The detail about how to make the flower ball, I already took a step-by-step tutorial. If you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat the procedure, so I fast skip this procedure. Okay, completed with the flower arrangement. This is very large flower ball, half ball. Okay, now let's install on the stand. Okay, the next step, let's hang some beading around the flower ball. Okay, hanging the beading. Look, use the beading and use the hook. Put them together. and just direct hand on the metal material. Maybe plastic material will be okay. Okay, almost complete. Let's check the effect. Look. Actually, I'm not satisfied with the come out. The flower ball look like a mushroom. Look. Because it's too much large. Maybe we can just some flowers. Just some flower on the flower ball, so the come out may be better. Let's try it. Okay, complete it by dropping some flower like this. And these flowers. So the come out will be look like this. Okay. Let's check the effect. The come out will be much more pretty. Okay then, let's put on some candle. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. Look, if you want it much more pretty, you can jet and hang some bubble and put the candle on in the bubble. The come out will be much more pretty. But since I already used that idea for my old tutorial, I don't use it again. Okay. Look. Let's try it from a little bit darker environment. So this is the come out. It's hard to show you the reality effect. It's very beautiful in reality, but I think it's hard to show it from the screen. But anyway, okay, back to the bright environment. Now let's talk about the material of our stand. Look, we have different types of the stand. All these are gold color, but actually they are different growth. It's hard to show you the difference from the screen. But anyway, this gold color will be much more pretty. Of course, the price are different. This color pretty, but a little bit expensive, and this one will be a little bit cheap. Also, we have different size. So when you pick the material of the stand, you should consider which color and which size of the stand you would like to pick. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please support me by giving me a thumb up and comment below this video. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye.